got back from my hot yoga class. It was so hot. I was sweating so much. So I'm gonna go take a quick shower, eat something, and then I'll get ready to go on a date with myself. Let's find an outfit to wear for today. I'm thinking wearing these cowboy boots that I recently got. So I think a long skirt or dress with it would be cute. My closet is so messy. I've been wearing the same clothes because everything was so shuffled that I was just grabbing clothes that I could see at the front. So I'm thinking maybe this skirt. What am I gonna wear with it? Maybe a simple tank top underneath and a button up. Let's try it out. Okay. Maybe I'll add some jewelry. I think I'm gonna do this one right here. This is a lot more simpler. Maybe I like this more. Yes. Woohoo! Okay, I really liked it. Thumbnail. Okay, I got really excited to get ready, do my hair, put on a cute outfit to go hang out by myself. But now that it's time to leave, I gotta admit that I'm a little anxious. I mean, I feel cute in this outfit and everything, but then part of me is worried that like, oh, like people on the street or whatever is gonna be like, oh, like where she's going, like she dressed like where she's going dressing like this, and then I'm just kind of like hang out by myself. Not that anyone would care. Now that I speak this out loud, it just kind of proved to me that I'm overthinking it. I love spending time alone and doing things that I love by myself, but I feel like some people would just think that that's sad. But for me, being alone doesn't mean lonely, and I'm actually having a lot of fun. I just don't want to be judged for that. But then one, I'm just overthinking, and second, nobody really cares that much about me. Most people worry about themselves, and we all have something called the spotlight effect, which we think that everyone's talking or thinking about us, and that's simply not true. So well, I'm glad that I speak to the camera about this, so now I can hear what's going on in my head, and that's fucking ridiculous. So I should get going. Here are the things that I'll be bringing. Towel in case I decided to sit at a park. Kindle, wallet, my GoPro, AirPods, lip gloss. We're not really strangers. Self-reflection pack. Of course, my journal. Oh, perfume. This perfume is really strong.